Google, if it sticks to its usual schedule. So far no exceptions. Pixel 8 VE Pixel 8 Pro, October. It will be formalized at a special event in California this month. Although we are 2 months away from this point for now, numerous leaks have surfaced about the upcoming duo. Now, a reliable source has shared information about Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro features. As we get closer to the launch event, more details are starting to emerge. Today, a generally reliable source informed us about the versions in which the two models will be sold. Pixel 8in, just like its predecessor 128GB or 256GB, it is claimed that it will come with storage space. Those hoping to go up to 256GB for the entry-level model will be disappointed. Pixel 8 will come to the market in 3 colors called Licorice, Peony and Haze. The big brother Pixel 8 Pro, on the other hand, will have 3 storage versions. So much so that the 128GB per 256GB combination on this device 512GB will also be added. It will also be available in 3 colors called Licorice, Porcelain and Sky. According to previous leaks and rumors, Pixel 8 is more than Pixel 7 launch. More expensive will be Pixel 7 $600, Pixel 8, when launched with $650 to $700 it will be on sale for a price. The Pixel 8 will have a 6.17-inch 1080 by 2400 120Hz display with embedded ultrasonic fingerprint reader, a 50MP main camera with the new Samsung ISOCELL GN2 sensor, the same 12MP ultra-wide and 11MP selfie cameras as its predecessor, and a 4485 mAh battery. It will also include 24W wired, 12W wireless charging support and a new generation Tensor chipset. The Pixel 8 Pro has a 6.7-inch 1344 by 2992 120Hz display, the same chipset as the Pixel 8, the same new main camera, new 64MP ultra-wide, and the same 48MP telephoto and 11MP selfie cameras as the Pixel 7 Pro will be. Let us reiterate that the introduction date of the devices is estimated to be October.